Hey there, happy morning senior kids. How are you all? Are you all enjoying your video classes and are you all doing your activities? Okay, I am looking forward for some rhymes by you all. So can you sing some rhymes and upload in the WhatsApp group? Okay, so now we'll move on to the EVS class. Okay, today in EVS I am going to take the sensorial experience. As you all know that we are learning the sensorial experience of sight, hear, touch, the sensorial experience of touch, smell. Okay, so let's sing the rhymes that we had sung already, shall we? Can up all of you? Okay, now we'll sing the rhymes. On my face I have two eyes, have two eyes, have two eyes. On my face I have two eyes, I use them to see. On my face I have a nose, have a nose, have a nose. On my face I have a nose, I use it to smell. On my face I have two ears, have two ears, have two ears. On my face I have two ears, I use them to hear. On my hands I have five fingers, have five fingers, have five fingers. On my hands I have five fingers, I use them to touch. Okay, so far we had learned about 4 types of sensorial experiences. Today we are going to learn the sensorial experience of taste. Okay, today we are going to learn the sensorial experience of taste. Okay, but before that I would like you to ask you some question. When mama makes some delicious food to you and when you eat it you says yummy. Okay, now tell me which organ helps us to taste the food. Is the food is very yummy? Is the food is sweet? Is the food is salty? Is the food is sour? Which thing helps you to find the taste? Which organ helps you to find the taste? You don't know? Okay, then I'll explain you later on. But before that, I am going to show you some food items that has different taste. Okay, shall we? Kids, as I said that I am going to show you some food items that has different tastes. Okay, so first I have sugar in my plate. This is the sugar. Everyone has sugar in your house. Have you tasted sugar yet? Have you tasted sugar yet? How does it taste? It tastes very sweet. It tastes very sweet. Have you eaten the laddu? Have you eaten the jalebi or the jangri? Have you eaten the cake? How does it taste? It all tastes very sweet. It is sweet in taste. Okay, now I have here with me potato chips. This is potato chips. Have you tasted the potato chips? Chips and all, pickles, they are all salty. Okay, the taste that it has is salty. Okay, this taste is called salty. And do you know what is this? It's a bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Okay. So why it is called bitter gourd? It is bitter in taste. Bitter means kasapu. Okay. Sweet na inippa irukkiradhu. Salty means uppu karakkiradhu. Bitter na kasappa irukkiradhu. Okay. So bitter gourd is bitter in taste. Now I have a lemon with me. Have you drank lemon juice yet? So lemon juice eppadi irukum? கொஞ்சம் புளிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும் இல்லையா? So lemon juice is sour in taste. Sour. We call it as sour. Okay. It is sour in taste. Sour means pulip. Okay. But which organ, I had already asked, which organ helps us to sense the taste? Do you have any guess? It is our tongue. It is our tongue. Okay, with the tongue we sense different types of taste. Okay, our tongue helps us to sense the taste. Okay, now I am going to explain you how does our tongue helps us to sense the taste. Okay, let's see. So as I said that it is our tongue that helps us to sense the taste. How? If you want to know this, I would like the parent, senior parent, to mix some sugar in a water and some salt in a water, okay, and you just pour that sugar solution and salt solution in your kid's tongue, okay, and when you put the solution in your kid's tongue, they could see the taste buds that comes outside. Okay, kids, listen. After tasting that solution, I want you to take out your mirror and stretch out your tongues out and look at your tongue like this. If you stretch your tongues out after tasting the solution, only then you could see this one. Okay, after tasting the solution, take out the mirror and stretch your tongue out and look at your tongue very, very carefully. Okay. And what you could see is it is the boil or the protrusions that we have on our tongue. In our tongue we have small boils or the protrusion we have on our tongue. These small boils are called taste buds. Okay, these small boils are called taste buds. Okay, and these taste buds, with the help of brain, helps us to sense the taste. Okay, these taste buds helps us to, with the help of brain, helps us to sense the taste. Okay, now I'll tell you how our tongue look like. Now this is our tongue. Okay, this is a small drawing of our tongue. Okay, when you stretch your tongue, it will look like this. In our tongue there are 4 types of taste buds. Okay, what are the taste buds? Sweet, salt, sour and bitter. Okay, sweet na inippu, salt na uppu, sour na pulippu, bitter na kasapu. So in the 4 taste we have on our tongue itself. So here I had drawn a rough picture of our tongue. So in the tongues la vandu pathina suttilume, so around the tongue we have small taste buds, and the dotted ellam paakringile, these are all the taste buds. So where we feel the sweet and salt taste in our tongue is, it is very in the front, the tip of the tongue. In the tip of the tongue we could feel we could sense the taste of sweet and salt. That's why I asked you to taste the solution of sugar and salt. Okay, when you taste the solution of sugar and salt, you can see that boils are coming out. Those, you can see the boils or the taste buds. So we can feel that we can sense the sweet and salt taste in the tip of the tongue. We can sense the sour taste at the side of the tongue. At the side, in the side irukku illaya, ipo ivanga tongue stretch panni paarenga. So இந்த சைடில் தான் நீங்கள் வந்து sour taste, புளிப்பு டேஸ்ட் வந்து உங்களால் டேஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியும். டிப்பில் வந்து you could taste sweet and salt, and in the bitter taste you can sense inside the tongue. The ulnaakku solranga, ulla pakko, inside the tongue there are big taste buds. Okay, and there itself we could sense the taste of bitter. Okay, so this is our tongue, and I have said that where we could feel the sweet, where we could feel the salt, where we could feel the sour taste, and where we could sense the taste of bitter. So this is how we sense the taste. Okay, children, did you understood now how our tongue helps us to sense different tastes? Okay, good. Now whenever you eat something, you could feel that, if you eat bitter gourd, you can feel that bitterness here, it's here, not in the tip. You could feel the bitter, sense the bitter here inside the tongue. Okay, when you drink the lemon juice, you could sense the sour taste at the side of the tongue. When you eat any sweet or any salty things, you could sense it in the tip of the tongue. Okay, now shall we do the worksheet? Take out your worksheet now, concept worksheet. So far we had done worksheet number 4. Today we are going to do worksheet number 5. So what instruction is given here? Circle the food that is sour to taste. Sour means pulippa irukra food. Nama vandu in the 3 food items are given, in which what are the food items that is sour in taste? Only that food item you have to circle. Okay, now first one is lemon. Lemon pulikuma pulikada? Yes, it is sour. So circle the lemon. Next, strawberry. Strawberry is sweet in taste. Next, tamarind. Tamarind பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? Tamarind na புளியங்காய். Okay, Tamarind. Tamarind is sour in taste. So circle tamarind and lemon. Finished? Very good. Now let's see the box given below. What is the instruction given there? Circle the food that is sweet to taste. Okay, as I said, what is the taste of cake? Is that sweet or sour? Sweet. So you have to circle it. Circle the cake. Now candies. Candies are sweet or salt? It is sweet either. So circle the candies. Popcorn. Is popcorn sweet or salty? It is salty. So no need to circle it out. Finished, kids? Okay. You have finished your worksheet now? Good. So we had learned the sensorial experience of sight, sensorial experience of touch, sensorial experience of smell, and sensorial experience of hear. Today we have learned the sensorial experience of taste. Okay, shall we sing the rhyme for that? On my face I have one mouth, have one mouth, have one mouth. On my face I have one mouth, I use it to taste. On my face I have one mouth, have one mouth, have one mouth. On my face I have one mouth, I use it to taste. Okay children, this rhyme is available in your rhyme book. So for vocabulary practice, ask your parent to just refer the rhyme book. Okay kids, till this you finish your worksheet, take a picture of it, upload it in WhatsApp group, and until I meet you in the next class, it's your auntie saying bye, take care, stay safe, bye.